Kushi, open your camera. Not in uniform. Reason. Kindly do not repeat this. I just made 4 to 5 calls in the classroom only and spoke to various parents. So kindly save yourself from such future embarrassments. Right? Begin your topic.
Active and passive voice. So, active voice sentences in which the subject performs the action and object receives it. So, in active voice, we give importance to the subject, more importance to the subject rather than the object. And in a passive voice, it's opposites. So, when the verb in a sentence shows that the subject is not the doer of the action, this sentence is in the passive voice. So, we give more importance to the object, like we change the object to the subject and the subject to the object in passive voice. For example, the cake was cut by Rita. It's in passive voice. We give more importance to the cake rather than who cut the cake. And in active voice, the Rita cut the cake, so we give more importance to Rita rather than the object cake. And sentences with intransitive verbs that do not require an object. So the intransitive verbs cannot be transferred into passive voice, and this is a fact. And then we'll see through the tenses how we can change an active voice into passive voice. In simple present tense, if active voice is call and calls, I call you and you call me. So it will be in passive voice, I am called, you are called, and he is called. For example, Ridhima eats biscuit every evening. So the importance is Ridhima is given more important than the biscuit, and in passive voice, biscuits are eaten by Ridhima every evening. So biscuit kids are given more importance than Ridhima. And in simple past tense, if I form sentence like I called you, so in passive voice it will be you were called by me. So for example, the artist sketched the portrait. So we are giving more importance to the artist, and in passive voice, the object will turn into subject, so the portrait was sketched by the artist. And in simple future tense, the sentence will be I will call you, and in passive voice, it will be you will be called by me. For example, the old lady will distribute blankets among needy families. So the importance, the old lady has more importance, and in passive voice, the subject will change into an object, and the object will change into the subject. For example, blankets will be distributed by the old lady among the needy families. Same will continue all the tenses like present continuous tense, past continuous tense, present perfect tense, and past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. And there's a new word that is detransitive verb. So a verb that has two objects. A transitive verb has when a transitive verb when has two objects, it is called retransitive verb. And when we change a detransitive verb into passive verb, we can use both the object as a subject. For example, he gave us some almonds. So it's an active voice and it has detransitive verbs. When we change into passive verb, we can use both the object as a subject. For example, some almonds were given to us, it will be in the passive voice, and another will be we were given some almonds, so it will also be in a passive voice. If we convert interrogative sentences into passive voice, so the example will be have you written these letters? So the more importance is to the doer of the action, that is you, and in passive verb we change the letter to the subject and the subject to the object. So have these letters been written by you? And do does did in interrogative sentence in active voice will change into are we in passive structure. And modals like can, must, should not change, don't change in active and passive voice. If we convert imperative sentences into passive voice, so we will add modals like should, must, ought to. For example, take medicine at regular time. So it's an active voice. To change them into passive voice, medicine should be taken at regular timing. So we add this modal should, and to change modals, it would be, for example, I may call you or I might call you. In passive, word, it will like you might be called by me, and you may be called by me. Yeah, ma'am.
Any questions for Kushi? All right. So, in case if there is no such question, I believe all of you have understood what she has said, and probably she was using the book. Yes. Is this thing clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In order to make any active voice into passive voice, what is the basic requirement? That that sentence should have an object. And what kind of verb will take an object? What kind of verb will take an
Trans.
object? Transitive. Transitive, intransitive. Transitive, T takes an object. Intransitive, in no need of an object. So if you remember T transitive takes, intransitive will automatically be there in your head. Yes or no? All right, the next topic. Anybody else? Sakshi, Evelyn, Isha, Shaki, Alok, Ankit, Jia, Prakhar. Just look at the DPs. Any action? Anybody, ma'am, in my computer, it was showing that Teams was recovering a glitch. Fine, but if you can send the message right now in live class, I believe your system is working well and we are also live. There is no such glitch, right? Yeah. All right, so let me tell you. Meanwhile, I allotted you the time. What we did in the classroom, we were just discussing. Few issues came up, so I was recovering that only. There wasn't anything like you people had a loss. The same thing is going on in class as well. I may call any child here in the class, and they are also responding to the same. Offline, they are presenting topics, right? So, if you are ready with the topic, then say the topic and you may give your presentation in the fourth period. Today, I have fourth period activity one. So in that period, stay prepared. Any topic from literature, poem, supplementary, writing two can be given to anyone. And I just wonder, only certain a handful children always reply. Where is Kshitij now? When it comes to teach or when it comes to performance, people are usually gone. Kindly prepare your cameras and backgrounds and your uniform by the fourth period. Right? I shall catch you up and you shall be presenting. You people will be teaching and other students will be gaining from your knowledge. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.